Imagine having the power to make anyone obsess over you. Here's the secret.
You've probably seen videos like this on your feed. They look powerful and interesting, but seem like they take a lot of time to make. But what if I told you, you could create the same kind of reels in just a few clicks? No writing scripts, no recording voiceovers, just AI doing the heavy lifting. But what if I told you, you could create the same kind of reels in just a few clicks? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step using a powerful tool called Edimakor. It's super simple. Let's jump in. Step 1. Write your script. Let's start with the script. But don't worry, you don't have to write a single line. Open up, hit pause Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, no worries. Just click the link in the description below. Once you're in, go to the toolbox. Then head over to the text section, and there you'll find AI copywriting. Just click on it. Now, type in a prompt. You'll find a sample prompt in the description. Just use that to get started. It'll generate a script for you. Once you find one that fits your video perfectly, just copy it, and we'll head to the next step. Step 2. Generate the video. Now, let's create the video. And trust me, it just takes a few clicks. Go to the toolbox and click on AI Video Generator. Here, you'll see a few options like Idea to Video and Script to Video. I'm going with Idea to Video because it's super easy and beginner-friendly. Type your prompt, then adjust the settings to match your style. Make sure to keep Material Source set to Auto Pick and click Generate Video. You'll now see it start creating scenes for your video. Once that's done, enable the voiceover toggle. Then select a stylish subtitle font and pick background music that fits the mood of your video. When everything looks good, click on Advanced Edit. This will open the full editing interface where you can fine-tune everything. Step 3. Final touch with editing. Alright, now everything's on the timeline. Your video, voiceover, subtitles, music, all set up automatically. Now let's add those finishing touches to really bring it to life. You can throw in some sound effects, add smooth transitions, or use cool visual effects to make it look more cinematic. Take a quick look, adjust whatever feels off, and once it looks just right, go ahead and hit export. And that's it. Your video is done and ready to post. Let's take a look at how it turned out.
What if I told you your own mind is betraying you? Meet the gaslighter, master of deception. They don't just lie, they rewrite your reality. She told me I was imagining things.
How cool was that? Your entire video, done in minutes using just Edimakor. If this made your workflow easier, smash that like button, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart content. See you in the next one.